Hello, my fellow editors. I'm trying to return the favor for people who are asking about CapCut effects to make an edit, which is a velocity blur that I did in a edit. For an example,
Open your CapCut, click on New Project. Find your clips that you want to use.
adjust your clips and time clip.
Now add velocity mode onto your edit. Pick a white overlay to your clips. Go to Splice and press Overlay. Now go to Animation Theta to Out and find Fade Out. And put it for every second. Put a keyframe on the first second, middle, and at the end. Go to opacity and put 25 on each side, except the middle. After that, go to Effects and click on Diamond Zoom. Adjust it like this: blur, 25, intensity, 100, speed, 100. Horizontal, 10, rotate, 100. Go back to Effects and click on Vertical Blur, put on 100. Then make 5 copy. Do it like this. Copy 1, 100 copy 2, 70 copy 3, 50 copy 4, 20 copy 5, 10. Speeding up. Put your quality like how you want it. Result.